Alex Eala back in action for WTA 1000 National Bank Open in Montreal. Fresh from her Wimbledon debut, Alex Eala is set for her latest WTA 1000 tournament with the National Bank Open in Montreal, Canada. Philippine tennis sensation Alex Eala plunges back into action after a brief rest in Manila, set to compete next at the National Bank Open in Montreal, Canada next week to mark the beginning of her hardcourt season. Her first taste of action since making her debut at Wimbledon, Eala plays in her first WTA 1000 tournament since the Italian Open in May. Eala, 20, joins a field highlighted by World No. 2 in Eala's former doubles partner Coco Gauff, two-time defending champion Jessica Pegula, and newly crowned Wimbledon champion Iga Swiatek. Maya Joint, whom Eala faced in her first WTA final in Eastbourne earlier this year, is also in the list. Other familiar names are also joining Eala in the tournament, which will be held at the IGA Stadium in Montreal, include Jelena Ostapenko, Madison Keys, and Hailey Baptiste, all of whom Eala had previously defeated. Canadian Leylah Fernandez, who has Filipino roots, is also part of the tournament. Eala is also confirmed to have been granted a main draw slot at the U.S. Open, making it 3 straight Grand Slam tournaments for the rising star. Eala's last opponent and 2024 Wimbledon champion, Barbora Krejcikova, will also be seeing action in the WTA 1000 TIF, along with Eala's Wimbledon doubles partner Eva Lace. This is Eala's 4th WTA 1000 event of the year after having competed in Miami, Madrid, and Italy. Eala is targeting another deep run after her recent weeks of inactivity tumbled her down to World No. 69 in the WTA rankings.